How to study the impact of climate change on the environment. 1. Understand climate change basics. Begin by grasping the fundamental concepts of climate change, including greenhouse gases, global warming, and their effects on the Earth's climate systems. Familiarize yourself with the science behind climate change and its primary drivers, such as CO2 emissions and deforestation. 2. Review scientific literature. Explore existing research and scientific literature on climate change impacts. Academic journals, research papers, and reports from organizations like the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, IPCC, provide valuable insights into observed and projected environmental changes. 3. Analyze environmental indicators. Study key environmental indicators that reflect the impact of climate change, such as temperature records, sea level rise, and changes in precipitation patterns. Monitoring these indicators helps assess how climate change is affecting different aspects of the environment. 4. Examine ecosystem changes. Investigate how climate change influences ecosystems and biodiversity. Look into shifts in species distributions, changes in migration patterns, and alterations in habitat conditions. These changes can disrupt ecological balance and affect both plant and animal life. 5. Utilize climate models. Climate models simulate future climate scenarios based on different greenhouse gas emission pathways. Analyze model projections to understand potential future impacts on various environmental aspects, such as temperature changes, extreme weather events, and sea level rise. 6. Study impacts on water resources. Assess how climate change affects water resources, including changes in river flow, water availability, and glacier melt. Investigate the implications for water supply, agriculture, and ecosystem health. 7. Explore implications for agriculture. Examine how climate change impacts agriculture through changes in crop yields, growing seasons, and pest dynamics. Understanding these effects helps evaluate potential challenges and develop adaptive strategies for food security. 8. Investigate human health impacts. Explore how climate change affects human health through increased heat stress, the spread of vector-borne diseases, and air quality deterioration. Study public health research to understand the broader implications for communities and health systems. 9. Review mitigation and adaptation strategies. Analyze strategies for mitigating and adapting to climate change. Evaluate policies, technologies, and practices aimed at reducing greenhouse gas emissions and enhancing resilience to environmental changes. 10. Engage in field research and observations. Conduct field research to collect data on environmental changes directly. Field studies provide empirical evidence of climate change impacts and contribute to a more comprehensive understanding of local and global effects. In summary, studying the impact of climate change on the environment involves understanding basic concepts, reviewing scientific literature, analyzing environmental indicators, and exploring ecosystem changes. Utilizing climate models, studying impacts on water resources and agriculture, investigating health implications, and reviewing mitigation strategies are crucial steps in this research. Engaging in field research further enhances your understanding of climate change effects.